Hello friends, this is Lisa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today is the fall tablescape. Our hosts are all things home on a budget and Tawanda's Blessed Life. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist for all inspiration for fall tablescape. Here is our fall tablescape. I chose black and white with a little bit of pink for my tablescape for fall. We're starting out. I found these at Hobby Lobby, I think last year or 2 years ago. I don't know. This I found at home after Christmas. I think about 2 years ago also. This was a spring from Hobby Lobby. I got them 90% off. I think I got these a year ago. And then our napkins was Amazon, silverware Amazon, tablecloth Amazon. Our table runner was also Amazon. Our black and white pumpkins, the whole set of black and white pumpkins was all Temu. Our pink and gray garland with the pink pumpkins, that was Amazon. I just got that this year to go with my Halloween decor. This pumpkin, we'll start here. This pumpkin was an anniversary gift for my husband. It's handcrafted, hand-blown glass from Jack Pine Studio in Hocking Hills, Ohio. This was their Jack Skellington pumpkin. And as you can see, it's really, really pretty. Okay, our candles, those were from Amazon. Our candlesticks was from Myers. Glasses was from the Dollar Tree. And I think that rounds out everything on the table that we have. And yeah, I think that pretty much. This came from Michael's after Christmas one year. It's just a silver Voda. And that is all of our tablescape. I chose to do a table runner with a garland to make it simple, and so you could easily do conversation and talk across the table. Because my husband, that's what he likes. He doesn't like a big centerpiece. So that's the way I went this year. This napkin ring, I have a leaf with some beads. Napkin ring, and it says thankful. And I just folded it flat. Kind of just folded it kind of like in a bow. And these was from Hobby Lobby. You could position it there, or you could even have it at the top of your plate as like a bow, or even on top of your plate as a bow. But I like to see my pumpkin, so I left it this way. This side of the table, I did a different. These came from Temu. And I did my napkin a little different to show, in case you wanted to do your napkins different than the way I did on the other side. But it's all the same, only I changed up the napkin ring and I changed up the way the napkin was folded.